Right, while I'm here, I suppose I'll give you a tour as Jim and Brock. See, it's a sign-in sheet. It's a member board. So about 150 members here. Feature curl. Some benches. There's dumbbell racks. Pull-up machine. I'm going to be using that. Same with the cables, about off that shite. Bench. 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 Competition bench. Bench, 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 bench. A lot of benches. 2 logs. Some more cables. It's a deadlift platform here. It's T-bar row. Peg deck. Some more cables, pull cables. Hack squats. Leg press. Leg curls. And then this is a squat rack here. And it's a handsome devil. And a mirror there. Ooh. See ya.